Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key. In my case, you can see I opened the YouTube channel or the YouTube application, but for example you can have here the camera app. Just if you want to turn off this feature, so if you want to just use the power key only to lock or unlock device, you should go into the settings app, then scroll down to the advanced features, and after that tap here to the side key. And now we have here selected open app. You can have here the quick launch camera, but to disable the quick launch from power key we should only click once on the switcher. Now it's turned off, and now when I double press the power key we can see that I just lock the device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.